The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Alexander County, Illinois, southeastern Bollinger County, Missouri, southern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, Scott County, Missouri, northeastern Stoddard County, Missouri, until 1:45 p.m. Sunday. At 7:37 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cape Girardeau, Jackson, Dexter, Scott City, Chaffee, Bloomfield, Advance, Orrin, Benton, Morley, Kelso, Bell City, Delta, Gordonville, Dutchtown, Haywood City, Leopold, Cape Girardeau Airport, Phoebes and Vancouver. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, Scott and Stoddard, and Alexander, Illinois. Now for the official National Weather Service.